Did you know early menopause affects about 20% of the general population and it can have health implications too? Today, we have with us Dr. Aruna Muralidhar, Senior Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Fortis Lafem Hospital, Bangalore, to help us understand the signs and symptoms of early menopause and why it needs attention.
I'd like to talk about early menopause today. When we say early menopause, it means it is a complete cessation or complete stoppage of periods for more than a year. And early menopause means that it's happening before the age of 45 years of age. And it's something else called premature menopause, wherein complete cessation of periods without, of course, pregnancy happens before 40 years of age. Normally, an Indian woman would have menopause anytime between 46, 48, up to 50, 51 years of age. The average age seems to be about 46 years of age. So when somebody has early menopause, it's similar to what a person would have in terms of symptoms even after a normal sort of menopause. The reasons or the causes could be familial, wherein if the mother has had an early menopause, the daughter also may have an early menopause. The other reason is surgical menopause, wherein the ovaries and the uterus have been removed. The ovaries have to be removed particularly to call it menopause. And in order to understand whether or not a person is in menopause, there are some symptoms to look out for. One is hot flashes, suddenly feeling hot, and the whole face feels flushed and hot, and this can last for a few seconds and goes away. And this can happen quite frequently. The other symptom would be cold sweats, having sweating for no reason absolutely, even in a cold sort of atmosphere. Other common symptoms during menopause are vaginal dryness, urogenital problems, wherein there may be problems with urination, there may be problems with skin changes, hair loss, putting on weight in your tummy. There may be also a lot of mood changes, fluctuations in mood, emotional lability, feeling very sort of emotional and irritable, etc. Once the early menopause has been identified, with history taking as well as maybe certain blood tests, including FSH, which is follicular stimulating hormone, we would then manage the lady by understanding what her risks are, because anybody with early menopause are slightly at a higher risk of developing problems with weaker bones, osteoporosis, cardiovascular problems, and even dementia, because the estrogen which was in the body has been depleted, and that is what has been keeping your bones and heart healthy and the brain healthy. The other kind of factors that we consider to manage is whether the symptoms are very severe, what was the reason for the early menopause, and whether or not this lady requires what we call menopausal hormone therapy or hormone replacement therapy. So depending on the factors, whether she has any medical problems, any other problems which may increase the risk of HRT, we decide whether she needs hormone replacement therapy or just lifestyle changes to keep her weight under control, giving her a good regular diet and exercise plan, and also probably in terms of counseling for mental health issues, etc. So it is important to understand that early menopause does affect about 20% of the general population and has to be diagnosed in the right way, and it means that the lady has had complete cessation of periods for more than a year at less than 45 years of age, and it does have certain health implications. So kindly make a visit to a gynecologist to get that sorted. Thank you very much for listening.